Alright, we're going to Sycamore. And it's our friend Alex's last day in Upland. He's doing bad, something like that, so he's getting sent to a boarding school in Mexico, right on the beach. And he won't be back with us till August. So this is our last day with him.
Get back in.
Come on. Let's do it. Jab, jab, combination. Jab. Come on. You can't be doing that. Hey, no. You can't be doing that.
Hey, let him get a hold of himself. Let him get. Oh! Alex, say hi.
What's up? I just got off the pin. But I mean that, I'm out of my room. I'm about to start skating again. Just kidding, I'm going to Mexico tomorrow, so yeah.
How long has it been since you've skated?
About 2 months. And Zeke just got this alligator lizard.
Look at that full crap on my hand. Hey, did we let him go and talk about?
Oh yeah, let him go. About to go skate, so yeah. But like I was saying, I got kicked out of Pioneer. So after I got kicked out, I had to go to an alternative school. But instead of that, I'm going to boarding school in Mexico. So I'm not gonna see the skate crew for like. I'm not gonna be here for the whole school year. I'm not gonna be here for the summer, and I'll be back in August. So hopefully by then I'll be able to skate.
Oh. You almost got it. I got it good now, huh?
Yeah.
Are you jealous?
Yep.
Oh! You got it. He got it.
I got the whole board over.
Yeah, you did. Oh! Ooh. Flip El Toro. Oh!
Oh, you hit your chin, huh?
No, I fucking face planted on my nose.
Yo, you alright?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ah.
Oh my god.
When the fucking black niggas is gnarly.
I got that on camera.
Oh.
That was gnarly.
Yo.
Gnarly, dude.
Dude, that was gnarly.
That was gnarly.
Look at this shit, new white t-shirt.
Oh my god.
My face planted on my nose.
Oh my god. Yo.
Fuck that, I'm going home.
You fucking win.
I'm going home. We're going home. Let's go.
Oh, dude,
All right.